What's up, guys?
Yeah. In this episode number 1 of we take the fam out. We got a couple garage sales. Make an unexpected stop at the Humane Society Donation Center, and
these are our stories.
Yeah, come along.
Dun dun.
Come along for the ride. Check it out. Stay to the end. See what we scored. In this episode number 1 of Flipping with the Family, this goob and I, we take the family out for a little garage selling. Take a unexpected stop at the Humane Society Donation Center with little Lucy, and yeah, that girl. Anyways, make sure you stick around to the end to find out what all we scored, and like this video and subscribe to our channel. Check it out. What's up, everybody? It is Friday morning, and I don't always drink coffee out of a mug, but when I do, I drink it like a boss, and it matches my shirt. It's like 6:50 now, and the plan this morning or today is to go hit up some garage sales. I found them, a couple basic apps that I use. Facebook Marketplace. You can look up garage sales. There's a what's it called? Yard Sale Treasure Map. It's an app that you can download. I think it's available in the Apple Play Store too. We'll put some links in the description for those that we use. You can look on Craigslist too, and we don't usually work on the weekends, so I'm trying to go on Fridays. So let's see what the day has for us. It's almost 8 o'clock, so we've only got maybe an hour and a half to do some shopping before we've got an appointment for Jolene at 10. So plus we got a couple other errands to run, so we'll probably just make a day of this, and y'all can come along with us. What you got in the bag?
Donuts.
Oh, what is that? Sprinkles?
Sprinkles. I got you sausage, egg, and cheese croissant.
Sweet. I like those things. And you got some juice. Awesome. Shall we go? What do you want?
Okay, one for Lucy, one for Jolene. And then Bubba can have some of these. So you have to give him one at a time. And then I have juice for everybody too.
So Arkansas, the state motto is it's the natural state, and where we live in Conway, it should be the land of a million roundabouts, because literally there's a roundabout everywhere, and you can always tell who. Shut up, GPS. You can always tell who is not from this town by how people drive in the roundabouts. Because people have no clue. But I've lived here better part of the last 20 years, and roundabouts have definitely helped the traffic in this town. I forgot my phone. Alright, so we just left the first stop, and got a bunch of the stop, and it's cold. It's not really cold, but it's cold for us. We weren't expecting 60-degree weather this morning, and I know people up north probably like 60 degrees is cold. Yeah, we're weak here in Arkansas, especially when it's been in like the 80s. So we had the kids dressed for 70-degree weather, but it's not 70 something degrees.
Turn left on Tyler Street. Luckily, cart.
Yeah, so it is what it is. But it got some cool stuff. You'll have to stick around the video to find out exactly what we got. But 13 items is we got a VCR for $2 and a bunch of DVDs, some anime DVDs and stuff. But you'll have to see exactly what it is here in a little bit. So here we go. We got this one up here. And I'm not very good. I've never recorded while doing garage selling because I've never been garage selling before. This is the first time. All right, so we are going back to stop number 2 because rookie fail. I thought we had more cash than what we did outside of the $100 bill, but we didn't. So they don't have change for 100. So
I mean, you would on a Friday morning.
Yeah, and it's cold. It's not rainy though. So we're going back real quick. I got a couple pairs of Brooks shoes that we're getting, and I'll show them to you here shortly. All right, so this is just a little stop by one that went on the scheduled stops, but they were expensive. You get a little DVD for kids. It's only $1. And I can do $1. It's a good movie. It teaches about emotions and stuff. And but yeah, they were charging like $20 for used Nikes that the soles were pretty worn. And I did have a pair of Brooks, but they wanted $20 for them too, and they had been ran in a few times. Where are we going?
I'm going to the post office.
Yeah, we're going to the post office. Why is that?
I know.
You don't know. It's because you woke up early today. At 6 o'clock you woke up today, and Daddy didn't get to ship before we went garage selling because you woke up early today. It's one of the downfalls of having everything at home, having young kids. Because they wake up before they're supposed to and they throw a wrench in plans. Yeah, we got more roundabouts on this road. I just went through one roundabout, and we've got several more up here, but they help out. I've never been in here before, so we'll see what they got. Some toys. I don't know enough about toys, but I know you can make some money on some of these older toys and plush animals. But I don't know enough about it. So we're just gonna cruise around and look. What's that loud noise? Is that fan? They got some hats. It's like their local hats. Nothing really, bunch of old golf clubs. I don't know about those. I may get those. You want to push? I just don't know. It's where, you know, doing stuff like this, I'm weak in because I just don't know enough about this other stuff. My strength is, you know, cell phones, electronics. You ready to go? All right. Let me look over here real quick and then we'll go. Got some tennis shoes down here.
Oh my back.
Nothing good though. Leave it there, baby. Let's come over here. I mean, I don't even know why a lot of people, they donate some of this stuff. I got some more Dansicos, but they're still worn pretty good. I'm gonna have to look that up and see, because Dansicos be selling for some money. I just don't know if that worn. And of course, Lucy's ran down my battery. I've only got like 5%. Ooh, it goes some shape ups. Might have to get those. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get these. Only $2. Comps are like 25, 35 bucks plus shipping. So you can't beat that. All right, so that is all of our goodies today. Not that in the back, but all this right here. So it's been easy. Got some prices on there. So these 3 items right here, we got those at the second garage sale, and we paid 20 bucks for the 3 pair, and you know, probably a little overpaid slightly. You know, 20 bucks turning into the prices here. That's just the prices, not including shipping. So shipping, we'll do an add-on for that. So buyer will pay shipping. So all these are going to be what they've been selling for. And there should be some little price comps that I've done somewhere. These Toms, I couldn't find the exact ones, but a lot of these that are like that with the shoelace loafers sell for about 20 bucks. Had several of these pairs sell for 50 bucks. These are almost brand new. I don't even know if she's ever actually ran in them. And the soles, they're still pretty good. It's like she walked in them one time and that was it. And these Brooks here, they're pretty good shape still, clean up a little bit, and but she didn't use them much. So Brooks shoes, always good ones. And got these little Skechers, which you saw, got those at the Habitat for Humanity, and got those for $2. And these are in pretty good shape. And so there's a worse pair that sold for like 28 bucks. And but we'll get these cleaned up. The white's still in good shape, the sole's still pretty good. And we'll get those for 30 plus shipping. And these were from the first place that we went shopping. And I got all of these DVDs here for 12 bucks. So got these 2 VHS. I probably should have left them alone, but it was cold. I was ready to go, and but I only got them for $1 a piece, and we'll list them for 10. I haven't seen any sold. We got several that are listed for it, and but they're all priced a little bit high, so we're gonna undercut, price them at $10 a piece. This is the score of the DVD bunch, and got several of these that have sold for $40 range, and I have no idea what it is, from the directors of South Parkers or something. But that one right there, it pays for the whole lot. That one sells, everything else is profit. So I got that one $12. Got that little one here, little Ultraman Complete Series, $10. Gonna do that one $5. I'll probably end up putting these together since they're both the Gundam Seed. I don't even know what that is, but is anime stuff. We'll put those together, do it at $15. Same thing with these little pandas. We're gonna do those two for $10. These last three, they're all sealed, new, so they've been selling lots of these, so we shouldn't have any problem selling these pretty quick for those prices. And all in all, was like $240, and we spent 20, 22, and 12. So we spent $34 for $240. So should be $200 profit on those items, roughly. So I think it's a pretty good little deal. We didn't spend a whole lot of time. We spent maybe 2 hours going out today, and we had to go out anyways, so that wasn't that much. And it won't take, but you know, we'll get all these. It won't take but an hour to get all these listed. We'll get those cleaned up. So probably 2 hours of labor. And then getting them shipped won't take that much. So 2 hours labor, we'll say 3 hours total for $200. So that's almost $70 an hour, and it's not bad. I'll take $70 an hour, $65 an hour any day of the week. So plus it's a learning experience, because we don't really sell a lot of this stuff very often. So this is really education. I'll spend $34 to learn. That's a pretty cheap lesson, and so lessons, you know, learn them. Cheap lesson, and so be good. Never sold any shoes before, so I'm excited. I've sold DVDs and stuff, so it'll be fun. But I appreciate y'all tuning in. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace.